guys, welcome to another video, and we're going to have words today. But first, I just want to ask you guys, what is this fruit, or what is this a vegetable? I know it is messel, but how do you call this one in English? I think it's a plum, right? Okay, or I forgot the word, but okay, then this is your homework. Word or the name of this fruit in English and then tell me, okay? But today we're going to have first, I didn't write. It's Soonung number 7. Okay, it's already Soonung, EDU Soonung Words number 7. And we're going to start first with number 60. It is put off. Everybody say put off. Put off here is what? But actually, there is a lot of meaning in this one in English. So here are the examples that I have here. Number 1, it is to make someone not want to do something, or to make someone not like someone or something. Do you understand? For example, here, the first is someone not to want to do something, or to make someone not like someone. Make someone not like someone. Here, my example is, smoking women put me off. I don't like these kinds of women. Got it? I don't like these kinds of women. Who are what? Smoking. So, smoking women put me off. It means they make me not like them. Very good. And letter B. What is B? To delay doing something. You have to delay doing something. Why? Because you do not want to do it. You do not want to do it. Got it? For example, I put off traveling with a group after learning that he will go with us. After learning that he will go with us, I put off traveling. I delayed traveling with a group. I don't want to be with them. Understand? Why? Because you don't want to do it. So I put it off. I put it off going with them because he will also go with us. Now letter C. What is the meaning here? To prevent someone from concentrating on something so that they have difficulty doing it. Understand? You make someone have a difficulty in concentrating. Here the example is, don't be noisy. You will put her off. Got it? Don't be noisy. You will put her off. Or you will make her what? You will make her not concentrate. Very good. And the D, the meaning of D here is what? To switch off a machine or piece of equipment. So you switch off the machine. Okay? For example, put off the refrigerator if it freezes. Do you understand? Put off the refrigerator if it freezes. Oh, what else? For example, you could also say what? Put off. Put off the machine. What is another machine? Put off the sewing machine. When not in use. Understand? When not in use, put off the sewing machine. Understand? Very good. Now for 61. 61, adverse. Adverse. What's the meaning of adverse? It is negative, unpleasant, or harmful, which is not very good. It is negative, unpleasant, or harmful. Example, some pills can give you adverse effects after taking them. What kind of effects? Negative effects. For example, you take a pill or you take a medicine, and then after that you will have a headache, or sometimes people get a lot of pimples because of the pill, right? It is called an adverse effect, negative or harmful effect. What is the meaning? What is B here? Likely to cause problems. What kind of problem? Okay, so let's see. People are concerned with the adverse weather conditions in the country. Why? Because these weather conditions are likely to cause a problem. For example, rainy weather condition. What else? There's always typhoon. So there's always flood. These are the weather conditions, guys. Adverse weather condition means, oh my, it is something that likely to cause a problem. Understand? Example, people are concerned with the adverse weather condition in the country. Hey, everybody, you have to concentrate. Next, let's go for 62, funding. Funding, number 62, funding. It means what? The money that a government or organization provides for a specific purpose. Now, in this case, actually, it is also called what? It's the same as budget. It's the same as budget, guys. But in this case, funding is usually for government. So for example, the president focused on the funding of education. Funding of what? Education. What is education? It's something that we use to learn. Very good. Now let's go for number 63. Explode. Explode. What is the meaning of explode, guys? Here. Example. It is to go off. To go off. It's another expression. To go off means to explode. Example. The gas tank exploded when someone threw a cigarette butt near it. One more time. The gas tank exploded when someone threw a cigarette butt near it. Understand what is a cigarette butt? It means a cigarette that you already smoke. So you still have a little left, right? So you throw it on the ground and then turn it off or put it off. But you didn't put it off. So the gas tank exploded. Very good. Now let's go for number 64. This is 64, guys. On board. Number 1, on board means here. I enjoy drinking free wine when I am on board the business seat on the plane. You know, business seat, guys, or business class, right? So they usually have free wine. And I enjoy drinking free wine when I am on board. It means you are taking the business seat on the plane. Oh, why is it place? It's plane. Understood? Guys, have you ever taken a plane? And do you also drink wine? I know you're young, but maybe some of you are already adults. Now let's go for 65. As a whole. As a whole. What does it mean? This one. Dun, 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 as a whole. Example. USA as a whole has stronger economy than other small countries. What else? One more time. USA as a whole has stronger economy than other countries. Understood, guys? Very good. Now let's go for 66. Toleration. Everybody, toleration. What does it mean? Allowing someone to do something that you do not like or approve of. You do not like what they are doing, but you just allow it. Understood? That is toleration. For example, number 1 here. Low toleration among the citizens are being practiced everywhere. Understand? They tolerate the law. What is law toleration? It means even though it's a mistake, but they do, and the law doesn't care. So citizens, they don't care about law. There is a lack of police visibility as well. What do you mean by visibility? It means to see, to see. So there is a lack of police visibility. It means you cannot see the police in the area. So people don't care about the law. It is called law toleration, the practice of allowing someone to do something that you do not like or approve. Now let's go for 67. 67 is what? Here. Examples. To have a particular weight. To have a particular weight. Example. How much do you weigh? So you can say the answer is I weigh 54 kilograms. What? It's too much. Got it? Very good. Now let's go for B. Okay, B. It means to measure how heavy someone or something is. One more time. To measure how heavy someone or something is. For example, I will weigh my baggage first before checking in to prevent additional fees. Guys, do you know, like when you take the plane, then when you check it, overweight. Guys, understand? If it is overweight, you know, right? Weigh your baggage first before checking in. Get it? Let's go for C. To consider all the aspects of a situation carefully before making a decision. When you make a decision, what? It is weigh. For example, the mother is weighing the possibilities of having a job and leaving her child under the nanny's care. Got it? Now, in this case, the mother wants to have a job, but She's also thinking because she will also leave her child under another person's care. So it may be dangerous, right? So the mother is weighing the possibilities. She's only consider the aspect of the situation carefully before making a decision. Got it? And number 68, we have here practice. So guys, practice here is a noun. Understand? It's noun here. I'll write here noun. Example. The actual performance of an activity in a real situation. Real situation, for example, I have had 20 years of teaching practice. In this case, what is the practice here? Teaching for 20 years. It is the actual performance of an activity. 20 years of teaching practice. Get it? For example, if you were also like a doctor, I practice medicine. For example, I practice medicine. What does it mean? It means I am a doctor. It means I am a doctor. Okay, I practice medicine. Next, B. It is an occasion when you do something in order to become better at it, or the time that you spend doing it. Understand? It's the same. You do something in order to become better at it. So example, you have to attend all the practices if you really want to join in the play. So practice or practices. It means occasion you practice. Piano practice, dance practice, what else? Singing practice. They're all the same. Understood, guys? Now, for your homework. Do you want homework? I know you don't like homework, but I'm going to give you homework anyway. Now here, make examples. Make your own sentences. Make your own sentences for as examples. Number 1, practice. You have to write one sentence for the practice. Number 2 is, I think, as a whole. Also one sentence. And number 3, I think, what are other expressions that we had today? Way. Also one sentence. So make one sentences for each word, okay? Very good. And your teacher will check it tomorrow. See you again. Bye.